Hello students, we are back with this question, and this question says that y is given to us and we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. Now in such type of questions, you try to avoid u by v wala differentiation. Okay, this form is u by v. So try to avoid differentiate like this, u dash v minus v dash u upon v square. Now the reason behind this I will tell you. After we solve this question, you will get to know what is the difference. So we apply log on the both sides. Apply log both sides. By doing this, we mean log we have to apply on this side also and this side also. So after applying log, okay, so log has property like log of a by b is nothing but log a minus log b. So according to this formula, we can write log of y is equal to log of this whole part in the numerator becomes the a and whole part in denominator becomes b. Okay, a by b. So we can write like this, log a minus log b. Okay, x square plus 2 raised to 4 is a. So log a minus log b is under root x square minus 5. Okay, fine. So what this log does, this 4 is now coming here. Okay, it is putting this 4 down. So 4 will come here, log x square plus 2 minus, this means x square minus 5 whole raised to half. So half will be bracket raised to half. So half will come down like this. Half will come down, log x square minus 5. Now we can differentiate this whole expression with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay, this is the simplified format of this. So we have to simplify it first and then we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we are differentiating both sides by x with respect to x. So what we can do is d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of this whole expression. So what this whole expression is, let me write. Okay, fine. So we can see dx is here. So x is the variable with respect to what we are differentiating this function. So this function have the y inside that. So we can't differentiate. If we can't differentiate this log y with respect to x, so we can differentiate it with respect to y only. So what we can do is we can multiply by dy on this numerator and denominator also. So what it becomes, dy by dy. So what we can do is dx will come this side and dy will go this side. So d of log y divided by dx will come here. So it becomes dy by dx into d of log y, and dy will come here. And we can differentiate this whole expression with respect to x, no issues. Okay, d by dx 4 log of x square plus 2. Okay, and we are taking this expression inside. So what it becomes, the d by dx of this first part minus will be as it is, and this whole part, it's d by dx. Okay, so we can differentiate log y with respect to dy. So what it becomes? It becomes 1 by y and this dy by dx as it is. Okay, and this 4 is constant, so we can take it out of the d by dx. So it will come out. Then what is remaining inside is only log of x square plus 2 minus this half will come outside. So what is remaining? Log of x square minus 5. Okay, dy by y dx, and the differentiation of this part. So differentiation of log of x square plus 2. We can assume x square plus 2 as only one function x. So what will be differentiation in that case? Log x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So in that way we can write 1 upon x square plus 2 into, now inside this log we have another function x square plus 2. So we have to differentiate it also. X square plus 2 minus as it is, half as it is, the differentiation of log of x square minus 5. Assume this x square minus 5 as x. So what will be the differentiation in that case? 1 upon x square minus 5, and after that we got, after this log function we got this function. So we can differentiate it like this. Okay, so dy by dx is nothing but this y will go this side, and this 4 I will write here, x square plus 2 into इसका differentiation 2x, okay, plus 0, so 2x only, minus half into x square minus 5, and the differentiation of this part is 2x minus 0, that is 2x only. Okay, and after this what we can do is, we have to put the value of y, because we want dy by dx in terms of x function, not in y. So we can put our y value which was there given in the question. It was given the y value, we can write that. Okay, we can write x square plus 2 raised to 4 divided by root x square minus 5, and inside the bracket 2 into 4 8x divided by x square plus 2 minus this 2 and this 2 will go away. So only x is remaining, and x square minus 5. Okay, if you want you can modify or simplify it further, like x and x is common here, so we can take this x out and x into x square plus 2 raised to 4 divided by under root x square minus 5, and inside this bracket 8 divided by x square plus 2 minus 1 upon x square minus 5. Okay, so in this way you can write. If you want, you can further simplify it, but we can write like this, no issues. Okay, so in this way we can solve such type of questions, because if we go by this method u dash v minus v dash u upon v square, so it will become very difficult. So I found some alternate way. You can also follow this. Okay students, so that's all for this video. We meet again with some new video. Okay, bye.